Another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm
This thing's finally going off.
Spalding County in west central Georgia, northern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Fayette County in north central Georgia, northwestern Pike County in west central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north central Georgia, east central Heard County in west central Georgia, northeastern Troup County in west central Georgia, Coweta County in west central Georgia, central Clayton County in north
That's a
central
big
Georgia, until 5:30
SVR.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fayetteville to near Turin to near Powers Crossroads, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Union, Griffin, McDonough, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Franklin, Peachtree City, Stockbridge, Riverdale, Hampton, Tyrone, Lovejoy, Sonoy, Hugginsville, Grantville, Mothersville, Brooks, Moreland, Williamson, and Sharpsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.